Okay, so the grass has been cut. The grass has been baled. I just spoke to the farmer doing the baling. My hay fever's kicking off because of it, but he's left us some space somewhere in there. So apparently we're good to go if he wants, but we've got to leave the bales alone, and hopefully there's a good enough space to take off and land. There usually is anyway, so we'll be fine. So we're going to give it a go. Going to get unpacked. Going to go for a flight. It's like 26 degrees it's saying at the minute. It might be a tad cooler, but that's what the car says. But it's probably 25, 24. It's probably the warmest day we've had in a while. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go out and fly. So we've got a healthy wind. We'll see how it is by the time I've set up. My reckoning, that's into wind. So we've got a lovely big straight into wind direction there with plenty of space. The bales, they're probably like 150 metres away. Down there, 100 metres maybe. I wish I'd taken some hay fever tablets. My right eye is starting to twinge. I'm starting to sniffle. Hopefully there's not even any pollen up there, so maybe that'll do me good. Get some altitude, get away from it. Okay, we've let the wind die down a bit now. Let it settle for about 45 minutes. Got the wing laid out. I've got my runway between the bales, and we'll warm her up and get in the air. Flip up. Ah. Hit the kill switch. Right, let's try that again. Flip up. Get him. And down. I think he's fine. I think he's going again. He wants it. I'm going to get my wing actually so we don't wrap it up. Sweating. Whew. Hot. Thank you, GoPro. I'm knackered. I am absolutely knackered. Thank you, Mr. Paramotor. Oh, shame I didn't get up longer, but it is getting a bit late. Sunset's in about 5 minutes from now, but it was too windy. It was smooth, but it was really quite strong, so I was just going nowhere. So low level, it's a bit bumpy, and you're going somewhere, but you get up to about 400 or 500 feet, and you start slowing down. So you're just hanging in the air, like hovering basically. So we did about 10 minutes, got some pictures, and yeah, better than nothing because it's lovely and mild up there. It's a bit muggy today, so yeah, so anyway, we'll get on with the laborious task of packing everything away. But yeah, what a sweatbox. I need to get fitter. I do need to get fitter. Tried to bring the wing a bit closer so it's not such a walk. See what I was happy with though, putting that wing down. Had that under control. That's the best I've done in a while, that's, to be fair. Yeah.